Alright guys, let's continue our video because from first video we have a limited time. We just have 15 minutes to make a recording about this slide. Actually, I continue to the second video. Okay, I hope you guys forgive me for my limited time to make a short video, because I want to make us until 25 minutes, but actually I only have a limited time until 15 minutes. But actually I make two videos to complete my presentation. Okay, let's continue. The last from the first video we start here, regular and irregular verb. Okay guys, in simple past tense, actually we must understand regular and irregular verb. What is it? Regular verb is like adding what they say, ed, or after what I said, after verb. You may see the slide work, where the infinitive work. So in verb 2, or actually in past, simple past, there's a regular and regular verb, but actually work is a kind of regular verb, so we add ed. Okay, actually there's a irregular verb. What is it? The word we can change the word to another model, like a teach, change to thought, eat jadi ate, get jadi got. So yeah, actually you can understand what the meaning, what the differences about regular and irregular verb, and how we know that word is a regular or irregular verb. Maybe you can see from your dictionary. Actually there's a list of regular and irregular verb. Okay, or maybe you can search in internet, you can browsing there. Okay, next. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, next. Okay, I think that's all about our material to this. But actually, let's discuss read some example. What I say, some question here. I give you 6 question, but let's discuss together. Ready for doing an activity? Yes, of course, I'm ready. Complete the following sentence with the past simple tense of the verb give. Okay, in the on 6 sentence, there's a blank behind them. What is between the word, okay, and there's some verb in. Okay, so there's verb to give. I give to chance to complete the sentence in simple past. Okay, let's discuss. You guys, you may guess what the answer of the first question. Okay, okay, from the first, go, verb go. And in verb 2 or simple past, we must change it in irregular verb. So go change to and we can change it to be when. Okay, so the complete sentence is it I went to the movies with Ed. Ed, it means the name of someone. Okay, number 2, C, blah blah, this the in parenthetical decided to read the story. Okay, so we change decided into regular. Why? Because yes, actually decided is regular verb in list of regular or irregular verb, so we change we not change the verb, only add ed. Okay, so the complete sentence, she decided to read the story. Okay, right? Okay, next, number 3, we blah 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 hurry up doing the quiz. Okay, here hurry is a yes, a kind of a regular verb, so here we just only add ed in this word. Okay, so the complete sentence, he hurried up with doing the quiz. Okay, number 4, they blah 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 walk to school. Okay, walk, is it regular or irregular verb? 1, 2, 3. Yes, of course, walk is kind of regular verb, so here we just add ed in the word. Okay, so the complete sentence, they walked to school. Alright, next, number 5, Sue play soccer. So here play, is it regular or irregular verb? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, here play we change, we not change, we just add ed because play is regular verb. So Sue played soccer. Alright, okay, and the last question is, my dog blah 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 bury its bone outside. Okay, and here bury we change or not, or we just add ed. Okay, actually we bury is yes, regular verb, yeah. Alright, so here my dog buried plus ed, it's born outside. Yay, we finish it. And have you correct all of the question after we discuss it? Yeah, congratulations for you guys. Next, okay, next. Oh, there is a conversation between Tuti and Rani. Let's read it together. 1, 2, 3. Where did you go yesterday, Rani? Rani answer, I blah 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 to Bandung with my mother. Tuti said, how did you go there? Rani answer, by bus. Okay, and when Rani answer the first, there's a blank or blah blah blah, and so there's a space to add something or some word there. Actually, there's 4 options after the question, after the conversation. Which one the best answer to fill the blank and the Rani answer first? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Alright, okay, so the answer is went. It's B. Rani answer, I went to Bandung with my mother, because here is a positive sentence. We must know, we must understand, in positive sentence we not change the verb to, or maybe went, we change to go, even though yeah, many sentence, but we not focus up there, we just focus to our topic. Okay, next. Alright, actually our slide finish. Alright guys, oh my god, Jesus. Okay guys, thank you for your watching my video from the first video until the second video. And I'm so sorry about my video is not so clearly actually, or maybe something, yeah, not this what they say. Okay, and I hope you forgive my mistakes. when I teach you. Yeah, so many mistakes I give. Yeah, I just and I just doing my best to teach you guys, and I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.